Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Volvo Christian, and welcome back to beautiful Norway. Welcome back to sunny and sweet Oslo. I'm here at Gardermoen airport. Just a couple of hours ago I touched down here at Gardermoen. I've been in Milano for the last 2 days with Volvo Car Norway, so a huge thanks to them for sending me on this journey. But in this video I'm going to talk some EX30, and I want to show you something that I got from Volvo. And I'm also going to talk some about how this press event was, because this was my first international press event. So I'm going to share some of my thoughts regarding that one as well. But look, I got this package delivered to me Friday at work from a Volvo messenger, yeah, you can probably guess what's lurking inside of this box. We're going to show some of it afterwards, not too much though. But I want to talk some about how this press event was. And we're starting here at Gardermoen, while this Norwegian plane are about to take touchdown. So today it's Tuesday, it's about 7 o'clock. But Monday morning at about 9-ish, we met up here at Gardermoen, jumped on a plane to Milano at about 11-ish. Arriving at Milano a couple of hours later, we got picked up in a Volvo C40, obviously, to be driven to the hotel that we were staying on. Had a beautiful and delicious Italian lunch, obviously spaghetti bolognese. Oh, that's so darn delicious. Italian pasta. Oh, I just want to go back instantly. But then we had like 1 hour break, personal time, before we were walking over to the venue that Volvo had chosen to display their brand new EX30. And honestly, I'm actually quite disappointed about the venue that Volvo picked, because while we were there at that venue, there was some sort of construction work in the background behind the walls, so there was pretty much noise while we was supposed to do our thing, and the temperature was just excruciating. Just painful to be inside that venue. And we had a slot for 2 hours, so 1 hour each, one for me and one for Mr. Chris Rifa. But that time slot just got decreased because there was so much noise around, so we had to stop recording and wait for other people around the set. So honestly, I'm actually disappointed at the venue that Volvo picked. Too much noise, and it's not only for us. I talked to other content creators. They had the same experience. There was too much noise in the background. And another thing, with the 2 hour time slot, there was one take, fake it until you make it. You can't do one more takes until you get it just right. So that's also new for me, so I just had to hammer through. I've actually managed to push out 4 videos on that time slot I had. I made one video with the exterior, the details, all the juicy technical details about the car. And then I made one video regarding the interior. And I actually made 2 more videos with the top 3 things I love with the EX30 and the top 3 things that I hate with the EX30. So I really hope you will enjoy that. And they are coming from tomorrow at 13:35. Probably 2 tomorrow and then 2 later on in the week. But then after the 2 hours have went, we had a beautiful dinner at a place called Alto. We had a 10-course meal at a Michelin star restaurant. Tiny dishes, but it was delicious, and also was all the wine we got. So really awesome meal. Highly recommend visiting Alto if you are in Milano. It's way above my price point for what I pay, but when Volvo pays, I eat. I love to eat, so oh, that was delicious. But the pasta at the hotel also, oh damn. So the hours went by. It got pretty late before we came back to the hotel. We also met up with another content creator, Kyle from Out of Spec Motoring, so really cool to meet up with him. So it got pretty late before I turned in at the hotel. So with just a couple of hours sleep, we had to be ready again at 8 in the morning today to get picked up. And then it was back at the airport in Milano. Pain in the ass to get through the baggage drop, but I made it. And note to myself, bring a carry-on. Don't bring that luggage you have to deliver in. I have to buy a smaller suitcase. A little stop through Kastrup in Denmark before touchdown here on Gardermoen. But as I said, tomorrow at 13:35 we will have the unboxing of the brand new EX30. Sadly, I can't show you this content yet, but a couple of hours ago I got permission to show you the box, and that was a milestone. I wanted to show you the box on Friday, but no, it was embargo on that box. But behind this cover is something small, and tomorrow you will see something bigger. It's cool with some planes in the background here, even though they are quite noisy. But tomorrow you will see what's lurking behind this cover. I really hope you will enjoy my covering of the EX30. I did my best to share everything that I wanted to share with you guys. But I really appreciate everyone's support. If it wasn't for your support, watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up on my videos, this wouldn't be possible to attend this event. So a huge thanks to all my Instagram followers and all my YouTube subscribers. This really means a lot. So tomorrow, be ready, 13:35 on my Instagram channel and on my YouTube channel. And now it's time. I have to find some dinner now. Sadly not Italian, but thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.